Hi, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, 31st of July, and now it's been 4 months since we started the project. Let's go check it out what has happened. Like you can see, all the big windows are now over there in the showroom, and we have already started building the frame for the main entrance. And now we're here in the showroom, and like you see, the interior walls or the frames for the interior walls on the first floor are pretty much in good shape. They're now putting the dry walls up, and then they will start putting the rest of the electricity and then start to insulate the walls and go forward. Like you can see, the big wall up there is coming along. This will be the dividing wall, the firewall between the production side and the training facilities and showroom. Let's go have a look in here. Here will be the toilets and some offices here. And here we will build a proper kitchen, so when we get guests from out of Finland, then we can host them here and make sure that they have food as well. So these will all be the training facilities. Would be a good place for us to be in our own peace and chill out and go through the products and so on. And what would be a Finnish building without the sauna? So here will be the dressing room, the showers, and on the back there's going to be a good sauna that will feed roughly 15 people in it. So looks good. Like you see here, these walls are already been insulated, so they wait for the second layer of drywall, and they start to be in rather good shape. This side of the firewall, these will all be the factory production offices. So there will be the break room for the factory workers, the office for the production manager, and the social dressing rooms and showers and so on will be there. From top here you get a rather good idea on what's happening where, and like you see here, now we're building the floor for the second level, as well as the floor for the second level on the production side. And the sliding doors are now being set up so that they start working as well. So, looks good. Here on the production side, we have some new faces here with us. Eetu has come here already to help us building the site. He's been doing all the covers and the frames for the electric control unit, as well as the big another blower part for the metal plaster. But Eetu will be our new robot welder as soon as we get the production ready. And his next steps will be within the next couple of weeks to learn how to program the thing. So interesting times coming ahead. And here on this side, this is the place where the actual robot welder will come. And in that spot, right now there's still plenty of air conditioning parts and so on, but those will be installed also in the near future. So we're still in nicely as schedule. The workers have been great, and we have had a very positive spirit here at the worksite, and it's always nice to come here and see the progress that the guys have been doing. So thanks for watching. See you again next time.